Hi and welcome. In this lecture, I will try and explain you how this course has been formulated, keeping in mind that you are here to prepare for your PMP exam. Before we begin, thank you for signing up for this course, and I will try to make your journey as worthwhile as possible. Speaking of journey affiliated, this journey can help you diversify yourself and your abilities to become a better project manager, not just for the sake of passing the exam. This opportunity to learn will be one of the best reasons to get your PMP certification. Now, I'm sure you must have done a lot of research before you finally decided to opt for this course. Believe me when I say PMP exam is not the end of the world. Well, it's true. How do I know? Well, I was like you some years back, anxious, perplexed, apprehensive, not sure where to begin, not sure how to convince myself that I was ready. I sat for boarding boot camps, went through many different sources and materials, and finally deciding on using PMI's PMBOK. The day after I sat and passed my exam, I woke up thinking, why the heck was I worrying so much about the exam? Why was I so apprehensive and concerned in the first place? Why was I taking such flack about sitting for this exam? It was nothing. You will come across a similar feeling the day after you wake up, after giving the exam and passing it successfully. The uncertainty I went through while preparing myself for the exam, guess what? You're lucky that through this course you will have all the necessary material, sources, and the mock exam you will need to equip yourself with passing the exam. I'm excited to see you aspiring for the PMP status. Can't wait to congratulate you for successfully sitting for your exam. So let's get started.